Butting heads, what does it mean? Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard, butt heads. Have you ever wondered what it means or where it comes from? Stick with us, and by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a native. The phrase, butt heads, originally comes from the behavior of certain animals, especially goats or rams. When two goats become confrontational, they might use their heads to butt or bash against each other. This is a way for them to establish dominance or sort out differences. Visual cue. For the video, you could show an image or a short clip of two goats or rams butting heads in a non-violent setting. In English, when people say they are butting heads with someone, they don't mean they are literally hitting their heads together. Instead, it's a figurative way to express that they are having a disagreement or clashing over ideas or opinions. For example, Lisa and I butt heads over the design for the project. This means Lisa and the speaker had a disagreement about the design. Let's see how you can use butt heads in different sentences. 1. Every time we discuss politics, we butt heads. 2. I don't want to butt heads with you, but I think we should reconsider our plan. 3. They always butt heads at team meetings. It's getting problematic. To help you get a better grasp, here are some synonyms or similar expressions. Clash, disagree, lock horns. This one is also animal-inspired. So, the next time you hear someone saying they butt heads with someone else, you'll know they're talking about a disagreement, not an actual head-on collision. We hope you found this explanation useful. Keep exploring the fascinating world of English idioms, and we'll see you in the next video.